yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. War is in the air. Tell them to prepare. That's my brother. Big up. Bloody God. Yo, we're here with Sky God, Ratned, Khago. Yo, Khago drop a song. Direct this at 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. The song is titled Khago Dead Man. In brackets, 𝐸-Octane this. So we're gonna jump in the water. We know the warrior cook from, well, the warrior season up from how long? I got over 10, 11 years now the warrior season up in the one. I've been waiting for this one. So me say it's only right to react to this one. Me never react to the Beanie and the Vegas one, not the Bounty and the Vegas one, but me choose to react to this one. So we are gonna jump in the water here with the JAMAICA. Remember say Khago is not a normal artist, Don't take Khago lyrics them light, brother. Remember say Khago did it sizzler way, whether you want to admit it or not. Remember say Khago go up against Assassin too, So don't think say Khago is a little walkover artist. Khago a bad bumbuckler artist. Khago, pick up yourself, bro. We're gonna jump in the one here and here with the JAMAICA, cause Khago feisty. You have a few feisty artists in a dancehall and Khago is one of them. Khago feisty. Khago will tell you things make you want to fight. I saw Khago stay like, yeah, I saw them man they stay, brother. So make we go, let's go. Too much talking, let's go, man.
Yeah, thing working. Yeah, vice to this here, Khago, Ratned. 𝐸-Octane, no man, a school gunman.
You say what? 𝐸-Octane, what? High school gunman?
Ratned. 𝐸-Octane, no man, a school gunman.
Oh, 𝐸-Octane, no man, a high school gunman. I'll be passing a lot because more, me no want to miss nothing. If you miss something, left in the comment section. Khago, if you watch that one here, bro, just let me know in the comment section, please.
Suck on yourself for that. Yeah, take them off for it. Murder. Wow. You know see a dead man them die. Yeah. And a bad man them die. Man make them a fi pack up and left yard. Run left them girl fi a stand guard.
Ooh! Hold on. This song just dropped 17 seconds in and catchy already. You know see a dead man them die. Catchy. If you can't catch that, something wrong with you. But what the boss say? The boss run 𝐸-Octane have to run left yard. 𝐸-Octane have to run left yard. 𝐸-Octane live America now.
Yeah, take them off. Murder. Wow. You know see a dead man them die. Yeah. And a bad man them die. Man make them a fi pack up and left yard. Run left them girl fi a stand guard. You know see a dead man them die.
Yeah.
And a bad man them die. Make them a fi pack up and run left yard. Left them girl fi a stand guard. Shut up, make them a fi run from Clarendon. Suck pussy 𝐸-Octane and no bad man.
Shut up, make them a fi run left Clarendon. Suck pussy 𝐸-Octane and no bad man. Yo, the clarity. Khago, let me just tell you this. Khago clarity different. Khago clarity different. You can't hear everything what the boss has said. Not now, not now, SK.
Make them a fi pack up and run left yard. Left them girl fi a stand yard. Shut up, make them a fi run from Clarendon. Suck pussy 𝐸-Octane and no bad man. The rifle with the scope gather all in one. No boy can't this is Jetta where you wear tampon. So me pull up on it.
No boy can't this is Sky God we are real tampon. No boy can't this is Jetta we are real tampon. So in basically I say 𝐸-Octane the pan period, 𝐸-Octane as a menstrual cycle, 𝐸-Octane as 𝐸-Octane as a red. It's 𝐸-Octane time of the month. That's how Khago said, not me. So I don't want nobody mix me in the comment section, I never said that, I'm just reiterating what the G is saying.
Them a fi run from Clarendon. Suck pussy 𝐸-Octane and no bad man.
No.
Rifle with the scope gather all in one. No boy can't this is Jetta where you wear tampon. So me pull up on a circle. Bang bang bang.
Boom.
Greenfield badness. Bang bang bang.
So we pull up on the circle. Bang, bang, bang. Greenfield badness. Bang, bang, bang. Big up Greenfield. What?
So me pull up on a circle. Bang, bang, bang. Greenfield badness. Bang, bang, bang. George's Valley killer them. John. Say girl a swing panny boy tongue like a swing song. Mountain find the farm.
Just swing pan the boy tongue like a swing song. Me blood clot. A Coney Park. How I go on? Khago, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, bro. This, I've been waiting for this. I'm excited about this. I hope it lasts long. Hope they don't take it too personal and just keep it lyrical and it lasts long. Yeah, we want the next long clash. We don't want them 3 or 4 songs each. No, we don't want that. We want clash will last until our summer. Them thing they will talk about. Yeah. But him find the formula, must she bother baby. I tell you a song named Formula, right?
Like a swing song, out him find the formula. Must she bother baby, I drink formula. Them know sky not chase like Pamela. And Sean is a boyfriend, I figure dead in ya. Full him up.
Sean is get shot too? Sean is get shot too? Sean is a boyfriend, I figure dead. Daddy, daddy.
Like a swing song, out him find the formula. Must she bother baby, I drink formula. Them know sky not chase like Pamela. And Sean is a boyfriend, I figure dead in ya. Full him up a lady. Running up your mouth and I make tough talk. When he guns them back, no fish can walk. Boy, you fi run fast, left it carry in a park. Me love see yellow tape when the body well chop. You know see a dead man them die. And no bad man them die. Man make them a fi pack up and left yard. Run left them girl fi a stand yard. You know see a dead man them die. And no bad man them die. Make them a fi pack up and run left yard. Left them girl fi a stand yard. Jamaica the gathering can't save him.
Okay, now gathering, bro. Second verse is winner now, right? Okay, wait, see, are you gathering with G? That's it there. Khago say I can't save you, yeah?
And no bad man them dog. Make them a fi pack up and run left yard. Left them girl fi a stand yard. Jamaica the gathering can't save him. From him have another man a baby. That jump out of the big mine a full suit of black man devil badness and a long gun wavy. Can't them a
Just picture that. The man saying pull up, jump out of the beam out in a full black with a long gun waving. Man, the feel badness, brother. And that's the thing there, no?
The gathering can't save him. From him have another man a baby. That jump out of the big mine a full suit of black man devil badness and a long gun wavy. Can't them a talk and them know I'm in a afraid. Take for the boy girl a New York, give my guess. You know me.
Take for the boy girl a New York.
Out of the big mine a full suit of black man devil badness and a long gun wavy. Can't them a talk and them know I'm in a afraid. Take for the boy girl a New York, give my guess. You know me fucking up the place and the shoes them full of lace and the whole world want me be.
Fucking up the place now, the shoes them full of lace. When them say shoes full of lace, it not talk your crepe or your sneakers or your Jordans, you know.
Can't them a talk and them know I'm in a afraid. Take for the boy girl a New York, give my guess. You know me fucking up the place and the shoes them full of lace and the whole world want me be. Make boy you fi run from Portmore. Make a fi kill one but Francine so fi kill 4.
Me go fi kill one but Francine so fi. That's the Francine and wife. Who don't know that live under one rock. The man say him go fi kill one but Francine say kill more. Look at Francine love the fucker too, you know. Francine love the badness too, you know. Let's go. Run from Portmore. What is now?
Bullet fly through boy face stuck in 9 gal mouth because my badness na ain't sure.
Hold on. So him saying go for I'm kill 4. So him call acting name already. Him call Sean is the name. Who else him call now?
You know see a dead man them die. And no bad man them die. Man make them a fi pack up and left yard. Run left them girl fi a stand yard. You know see a dead man them die. And no bad man them die. Make them a fi pack up and run left yard. Left them girl fi a stand yard.
So I get ugly now. How why I get ugly? Yo, that warrior go get bumbo clad ugly. This solid, make everything what him say. This a outclass song for sound. Clarity for inner it. Now what if yo, Khago, this kick off the war and from my understanding, them say 𝐑𝐂𝐴NE answer. So meet me with 𝐑𝐂𝐴NE song right now. For your next review. Meet me over there. Don't drop the channel. Meet me over there. I'll see you in the next one. Khago, big up yourself with your Khago. Yeah, I go over this. So let's see what 𝐑𝐂𝐴NE say. Be like this. I'm not pick no side. Me like the one here. I love it. I love it.